In this video, I'll be sharing with you how you can create a link to a photo in your Google Drive. So let's open Google Drive. I'm going to select an image. So what you're going to do is click the little menu icon for the image that you want to create a link for. Then select copy link. And once you copy the link, let's go to notes. And I'm just going to paste it to show you that the link was actually created, right? So let me paste it here. And this is how you basically create a link to a photo in your Google Drive. Now, what about if you wanted to create a link to a folder, right? Let's go back to Google Drive. Let's step back. Select the folder that you want to create a link to. Then select copy link. And then you can paste it wherever you want to share that link. And that's basically it. Don't forget to leave a like or comment on this video.